We can hear the soul into this luxurious, abounded energy. We all have still something yet to learn, something to let go of, something new to create, something to release, or perhaps just completely let go of, which is altogether part of one thing, our awakening process on this three-dimensional time-space reality. And once we reach fourth dimension, then gets more fun, more joyful, more creative, more collaborative, more contributing to Mother Gaia, to our fellow uh, Homo sapiens and all beings. So it feels like one of those crucial moments into yet another loop onto the spiral of our evolutionary growth and expansion is now. At least that's how intense it feels for me. If you stop by to watch this video, so you do too. Feel it, you know it, we all do. We all know that there is something to be done. The question is, are we still enough and are we grounded enough into the present moment so we can hear and recognize and see and feel and whatever that sense would be triggered, so we can pinpoint that was something that it needs to be done with. And it may make sense, it may not, but for me it is always starts with detoxification of the energy body, mind body, emotional body, physical body, perhaps all of them at once, but there is some toxic, stagnant energy blockage within us that is best sign to be recognized and be worked with. And that is the first step. We all have a different starts, different process and different ends on that journey, but I'm sharing what it works for me. This works for me every time. Water, greenery, earth, birds, silence, yet reach within the emptiness of my mind and soul. We can hear the soul into this luxurious, abounded energy. And that's why it always works when we are in it, when we are one with it. Get onto it. Get onto it and make a room, make a space for newness of the unknown to flow into our vessel. And so it is.